Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tuna cakes. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of tuna, well drained, which is typically about 5 ounces per can. We'll also use 1 large egg, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise to bind everything together. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of fresh, chopped parsley for flavor, plus a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's get mixing. Start by flaking the drained tuna into a medium-sized bowl. Make sure it's broken up nicely. Next, add your large egg, the 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and the fresh parsley. Season with your pinch of salt and pepper. Gently combine everything with a fork or your hands until it's uniformly mixed. Be careful not to overmix. We want a nice texture for our cakes. With your mixture ready, it's time to form the patties. Divide the mixture into 4 to 6 equal portions and gently shape them into cakes, each about 3½ inches in diameter and 1/2 inch thick. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully place the patties in the pan. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, until they are beautifully golden brown and heated through. Serve immediately for the best taste. To enjoy your delicious tuna cakes, serve them warm with a fresh lemon wedge for a bright, zesty kick, or a generous dollop of homemade tartar sauce. They also pair wonderfully with a simple green salad. If you have any leftovers, they can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days and reheated gently. For more great cooking tips and to discover new recipes, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.